What is up, guys? So in the previous video, we actually told you how to store and how to source your car by Ashton. So buying cars in Malaysia is very tricky. It's not as straightforward as in Singapore. There are a lot of scammers out there. Alright, and Ashton actually just got cheated. So Ashton, what actually happened?
Guys, Malaysia is a different game compared to Singapore. Very different game. So even the professionals get cheated. What more if it's just a regular person trying to sincerely and honestly buy his car? You know, it's gonna be very bad for him. So what happened here? Let's just say I went to view a car. The car was literally just right in front of me, right? I had the grant. The grant, if you guys didn't know, is where there is the owner's particulars, address, IC, and the status of the car. And then also his family members were there. So when I got there, the owner of the car was actually working in Singapore. All right. So I went there and there was only his wife there. So his wife called the owner, and then I was talking to the owner literally on video call. And I asked him, how much are you selling the car for? And can it be negotiated? And he was like, no. Talk to my friend. Okay, because he wants his friend to be, in case you can say, the broker. Okay, the centerman, the middleman of the deal. So I kept asking him, because, you know, guys, look at the amount of cars that we have. We are very familiar with this, all right? So I kept asking him. It's always the best to negotiate with the owner. He said no. All right, what can I do? Nothing much. So dealt with his friend and agreed on the price. So paid him the money, and then this was when the nightmare happened. The owner told me that his friend didn't pay him the money. So technically, his friend cheated him, and it has nothing to do with me. However, at this point now, the owner is not letting go of the car, so we are not able to drive the car back, and he's not selling us the car. So actually, this is our client's money that we are handling the case. All right. So this is very unprofessional from the seller. So now we have a problem on our side, right? So how do we deal with it? Since this is our client that has entrusted us with their hard-earned money, what do we do next? We are going to take full responsibility of it. Because, guys, this is just something small, you know. Our clients, they have supported us, and I could have easily just pushed it away saying it's not my issue, but that's not how we run. We literally started this company from scratch, literally 0 followers, and we grew so fast. Why? I would say our passion and our sincerity throughout towards our customers. So we are going to take the hit, and this is one reason why you should let Cars Bureau source it for you guys, you know, because you guys might not know the game here in Malaysia. It is very complex. I'm telling you guys, it's no joke. Even the professionals literally just yesterday got cheated. As of now, the client is not going to bear any losses. We are going to take the hit. So the reason why you want us to source it for you guys is because, let's just say scam were to happen, your money will be safe. All right, we will be the one taking the hit. So we already explained it to the customer. He's all good. His next instruction to us is to wait for the police report. However, I did mention that if he were to want us to source for another car, no problem. So we'll take it out from our own pockets. So this is how we run our show.
So in Malaysia, like I said just now, it's a totally different ballgame. Like what he said also, there are so many scams out there, and there are not much authorities to actually go through, because it's a lot. Right, the numbers are a lot. So what we can do is we can only educate the locals here, and also Singaporeans who wants to buy cars. And I also advise, personally, I advise you, if you want to buy a car, go through him, because it is so much more safer, especially if this is your first time. I have so many personal encounters where I go to car dealers. The car that they show inside the picture is actually not that car. The engine is not the same engine as inside the picture. And then if you go to Mudah.my or Facebook Marketplace, you can just go search Singapore scrap car under Malaysia section. A lot. You can find Audi R8 for like 50,000 ringgit. It does not make sense, right? But they say, oh, it's a scrap car, you can use it for spare part whatsoever, or clone. Don't trust them. They will ask you to transfer the money first, and then they will disappear.
But can I add something? Guys, don't even transfer them the money, because you're not allowed to buy those cars. You can't use those cars on the road.
Yes, you cannot. It is illegal. Right? So if you ask me, if let's say I was a Singaporean and I want to own a car in Malaysia, I would actually engage him, because it's so much more safer, and he's very good. His knowledge with cars is amazing. And also he have a lot of connection. Alright, you want anything you want to do, he can do for you. Modification, maintenance, anything car related, he has his people to do it. Which is where I'm going to send my car also lah next time. And also the way I see him manage this problem, it is very transparent and he is very sincere in helping. In fact, when this happened, like this morning he went live, his clients that actually the money that got scammed was at the live, and the client was super chill because he really because he professionally handled the case. He ensured that don't worry, your money is safe. If let's say we don't get the money back, he will bear the loss. So the clients also feel happy. In fact, I think the clients is not going to ask him to pay back. In fact, they are just going to find another replacement car. And for the police case, we just let the police handle lah, for however long it is lah over here. Right. So once again, if you guys want to engage him, the links are in the description below. His TikTok page, you guys can just DM him. His replies are very fast, and whatever questions you have, you can ask him. He will entertain. Yeah, he will really entertain. He entertained me. So don't worry, just DM him if you got questions or what. If you have doubts, just DM. Within like few hours, he will reply lah. And he also go on live very often. And follow his page. He also do car meetups, and pretty sure it's gonna expand very very fast. And he's gonna do more events.
Hopefully, man. Hopefully, the last time we did an event was when we started our channel. 160 cars showed up. We weren't expecting that. So now many of the people have heard our names, so everyone is calling us to do an event. Hopefully soon, guys.
Right. Thank you so much, Ashton from Car Bureaus. Hit him up, guys.